Or not, I say yes. So everything is gone. To create a program, you need to be on edit mode. No, right here. So you could create any program, or let's say 1000, enter, and it's going to create a dummy number. So I press edit, and I could start writing my program. So in this case, I'm gonna put a T1M6, enter, G54, G0, G90, X0, Y0, enter. I'm gonna give it a spindle speed S, 6000 RPMs, M3, insert, because I want to insert between the block. Then I go to the end of block and introduce G43, C 2 inches, H1, MA for coolant, enter. Then drop it to 100 thousandths above the part, so I would say C.100 thousandths, enter. Then I will slow down, G1, C minus 0.375, feed rate 100 thousandths, enter. Then I will start cutting the pocket. So I'm going to cut the pocket. What's the dimension of the part?
Cover it.
In the template, in the cabinet on the right. So I'm going to use a G13. Okay, so 3 inches, that part is 3 inches in diameter. The cutter is ½ inch, so 3 inches minus ½ inch is what?
3 inches.
3 inches
half.
minus ½ inch.
2.5. 2.5.
2.5. Divided by 2.
1
125.
to 175.
1 inch to 50.
Yeah. 122.
Just
2.5 divided 2 is 120. Is 120.
Yeah, 3 point minus 0.5
2.5.
divided by 2.
175.
Yeah, 1 inch to 50. Feed rate. Then I go up, G0, C 2 inches point, enter. Turn the coolant off, M9, enter. Turn the spindle off, M5, enter. G91, G20, 28, C0, enter. And G91, G28, Y0, sorry, cancel, enter. And M30. Reset it to bring it to the beginning of the program. So I want to run the graphics, so I will press memory, setting graphics 2 times, and I can see the graphics there. So if I want to zoom it in, I will press F2 and move the rectangular until the part is more or less centers. Then I press enter. I want to see the coordinates. I could bring these coordinates to work. I want to see the program. I could put it in F4, and that's what the cutter is going to do. It's going to go around and mill the pocket. If I want to make sure that everything is okay, I mean, I don't want to cut the jaws and find out that they're bigger. So what I could do is raise the spindle up. Also, I should put the cutter compensation by using D1 insert. So my depth is 375, so I will go to the offset page and raise it 0.370 in the positive direction. So I'm going to skin the jaws a little bit, so I'll make sure that the diameter is okay. So at this point, let's check the coolant.